All right, here we go. We'll go right into it, guys. I'm missing something. I'll be right back. All right, here we go. So, we are back at it again. Let's pull up our pairs real quick. You know, it's gold and Nas. All right, there has been some good moves in the market for sure. We just haven't had a major breakout yet, and I figured out where the breakout is potentially gonna go now. So we're gonna get right into it here. All right. So I got Nas selling still. I noticed that price went underneath the keys on entry. So I'm waiting to send some entries here. I have some pending orders at the daily here. And then stop loss would be right above this box here for Nas 100. Before I did this crazy buy here, I told the team to get out the trade when the order was triggered, the pending order was triggered for the sell. I noticed it was continuously going to go bullish, so I decided to not be in that trade. But now I think the sell is good. I think later on we're going to get a major drop towards this area here. And then we're going to have continuation going into Thursday, I believe. So we'll see how this all plays out. And then for gold, we have gold going up for uptrend right now after price have broke my zone, giving me that confirmation. So right now I'm expecting gold to buy for the rest of the week. As you guys could see right now, we're already in a bullish momentum. I have next tick profit zone right up here. We have beautiful entry opportunities around daily entry. We could literally put a pending order buy there. And then from there, we also have tick profit 1, that will be here. Tick profit 2, that will be up there. So in total, we're looking about 400 pips plus, which is pretty good, So looking here, guys, we could see clearly where potential price is going to go. Even if this stop loss triggered on this entry here, we still going to be able to reattempt the buy here at keys on it low. So that's one of the things I love about this strategy is as the week goes on, you find out before we transition over to that Wednesday, that Thursday session, you're going to see exactly where market direction is going for the week. So I could clearly see what's happening here. All right, and I think, guys, if we're looking at this properly, I think as well we are going towards top Bollinger Band H4 time frame. So this is literally a higher high, higher low for that new higher high to come. So it's coming right now. Let me zoom in. All right, entries is still pretty early. I want to get some entries here to start off, but I want to put my pending order right down there at the daily entry. So I'll add a manual entry now on this one. And I haven't been taking much trade recently this week yet, so my next trades are going to be big trades. And I'll also send this as a signal as well. It's going to be a buy limit at the daily entry for gold. And then stop loss is going to be right underneath. see how we're gonna get this entry. It's very. This is one of those trades. If you don't find a way to enter it or prepare for it, it's going to fly up and leave behind. We're gonna do. $33.1729. One of the pending orders that I see. It's not at the daily entry, but price may just go there to test and not touch the daily entry. So we're going to have it there as well. So that'll be 33.1729. My shit is loading. That should be good now. Alright, here we go. Alright, this was a great opportunity. Buy here, re-entry here, top Bollinger Band up there. Okay, now we headed towards the 15-minute top Bollinger Band, which is right up there for take profit. I'll take that all day. And that's about 244 pips. It's pretty good. So I need to see where we're gonna get our nice pullback. So we're gonna get our nice pullback right here. This is where we want it. The lower the pullback, the better it is for us to actually be in that trade, because you know we didn't miss out on anything, because this move was just a confirmation to show you that we are breaking out for buys. This next move, as long as it respects middle Bollinger Band, is going to hit top Bollinger Band, because it already broke above that area. So this support zone is the only area that price is going to really just fully respect, and then from there we'll get some crazy moves happening. So that's the move I'm waiting for right now. Again, it's pulling back. The more it pulls back, the better it is for me. Alright, this area is a good area for entry, early entry, for manual entry. I'm gonna take it. But I don't want to be in too much of a drawdown, just in case it does this. You know, you guys know that it does do that often, so that's another thing too, not self-sabotaging ourselves. Alright, so let's go ahead and make sure we just have our pending order at that daily. I'm going to do a standard at that daily, and then there is still potential pullback it could do on there, but that's our best bet for entries. Okay, so we're gonna get it at the daily entry. So here's the pending order for gold. Pending order price 33. Let me just add it now. Right here, around this area here on the naked chart. Okay, it's going there right now. Wow, that gold trade is looking very juicy, guys. I ain't no lie. Again, the further the pullback, the better it is for us. Okay, here I go. We're gonna make sure we have our pending. Its price is close to the pending order area. Feel free to manual enter if you want. For me, I'm going to plot it out right now. So we buying right here. And our take profit is going to be all the way up there, but we're gonna have multiple take profit for this one. We're almost there. We're gonna risk 70 pips on this one. So a dollar lot is risking 700 to make 4,500 long term on one trade. If we just did a one standard, I'm gonna do a two standard on my funded here. Okay, this is how it looks, right? And we're gonna have take profit 1 at the key zone. That's take profit 1. Take profit 2 is at the average daily range. I'm not even going to add a line there. We're just gonna eye it just based off the line. Alright, I'm getting ready for this trade. I'm excited about it actually, guys. Kind of been patient, so I'm going off a clean slate right now for the week. Okay, here I'm getting ready. All right, so I'm gonna manually take a trade here for me personally. I know it's gonna probably go into drawdown, but I'm gonna take it just in case it does not go fully under. But let's see. Let's keep eyeing it. Dropping more. The more it drop, the better it is for us, guys. Keep that in mind. We are very close to that daily entry. So if we enter now, the stop loss is still pretty big. Alright, I'm waiting. Let the move come to me. One minute bottom Bollinger Band would be such an amazing entry for us, and that's right around the daily entry, man. That's where we want to be. All right, gold may sell. Jared descend. It could sell, but after all the confirmation I have, price being above key daily entry, and also above key zone, I'm definitely looking for a buy. Check it out. Oof, my God. All right, let's see. Gold is selling right now. I'm not looking to sell it right now. I don't have, but I'm waiting for that support to test and then enter my trade for a buy. It's almost there. Almost there. Oh, I love that drop. I love that drop, guys. The more it drops, the better it is for our entries. Honestly, I wanted to drop 50%. Give me an entry here, but we don't know that what it's gonna do, so I'm just looking now. Alright. This is good entry areas. Right here. Right now. Half trend is still red. Sit on our hands. Okay. We close. We closer than ever. Alright, I'm gonna take the trade now. Any more pullback would be extra profit. Okay, almost there. Let's see if we get a full test at the daily while half trend is still red. But this is around entry price. Alright, I'm taking the trade again. I needed to just reach right here so I could pull the trigger. I want to really get it exactly at the daily. If not, I'm going to just take it right now. Alright, I got one in now. And then I'm having a pending order down here. Entering gold. Do a 0.25 for now, and then I'm also going to do pending order. What the hell? Boom. Not a buy stop. Buy limit. Cancel. We're gonna do a buy limit order. We're gonna draft it right here. It's gonna be for 25 as well. The one right there is gonna be for 30. It's gonna be for 20. I'm just doing my risk management right now, guys. I'm already super confident this trade is gonna go, to be honest. Okay. I feel good right now with these trades, and let's go ahead and finish our signal so we could finish our stop loss. So we want to take the entry anywhere around this area here. This is fine, so we're gonna manually enter it. It actually reached my entry, so that's perfect. So we enter in here. All right, be brave. We're gonna be brave, and we're gonna handle a 70 pip stop loss potential that could happen. All right, so 70 pip stop loss. It's not that bad. All right, let me see on the only thing that may get tested again and could mess us up just a bit is if price decides to go test key zone, but we're not gonna miss out on the trade just for a potential thing that may or may not happen. All right, let's look on the clear chart to see how it looks. It's perfect. Realistically, we just want price to fully test this area or this area right here, or this area right here. That's all we need, and then we could be in this trade for a buy here. Oh, I already had a box there. All right, we looking bullish. So as long as we respect those areas here, we are going up. All right, where are we going? Based on the jackpot strategy, guys. All right, based on the jackpot strategy, our signal on gold is supposed to be going to top Bollinger Band for the take profit though. So we're just going to capitalize on this move going all the way up there. Let me go ahead and finish out sending this signal to you guys so we could all be on the same page. Oh yeah, this area is about to give a buy signal in the 15-minute time frame. That's gonna be crazy. 5-minute time frame, we already had our buy signal here. That's good. So it's 15-minute time frame time to do that, to do the same. All right, I think we're good. Let's get it. Alright, so we buying. Trading ideas, just making sure I'm sending the signal over. So we locked in. And I feel really good about the signal, you know. That's how I like to feel. Second attempt. Buy gold. Buy. Steam. Price 3316.7. 3316.729. SL 303309.716. TP, we're gonna have TP1 right up there. 3340.887. All right, and we pushing from that area we bought from. We are pushing. All right, TP number 1. Price 3340.887. We are pushing. Let's go. Breaking the higher highs, and then TP number 2. TP number 2 is average daily range. Where is it? CB number 2 is going to be hold on. My chart keep acting up. I just fixed it. Alright, TP number 2 is going to be average daily range. I really want it to be top Bollinger Band on the H1. And then after that, we could see what's going to be the next move. But I wouldn't be surprised if we reach top Bollinger Band H4 this week. So we'll just wait and see. Alright, so TP number 2, that's price 3367.717. Risking 70 pips. Alright, reward to make overall $500 pips. It's not a bad bargain. Risking 70 pips, a big 500 pips swing trade. That's pretty good. It's pretty good. All right. Note: price is above daily entry and above key zone. But I forgot to put that in there. All right, we good? All right, we in profit here. We are in profit. We are pushing up 220 on this one already. That's beautiful. That's what I want to see. And where are we going? We are going to the next zone. So that's how the market works with the jackpot strategy, guys. So we got our entries. This is a perfect entry. And we are headed towards the next zones. Where is the next zones? Alright, it's going to be top Bollinger Band on the 15-minute time frame up there. So let me go ahead and add another order block so I could see if price is breaking. If price is breaking those zones, then I'm going to add another entry. There it is. So when price goes above that zone, I'm adding another entry as well. Alright, these trades are good. Let me make sure I'm in my accounts as well. Oof, that's beautiful. I'm gonna do a 5.
Order filled.
Alright, let's go. $5,000 profit if this thing reached top Bollinger Band. Of course, I'm gonna scale on it. That entry was so freaking beautiful this morning. I kicked myself for not participating and being ready for it, man. I was asleep because I was staying up a little longer. Okay, here we go. Here we go, man. For that uptrend again. It's gonna go crazy. Alright, and NAS, I have NAS dropping as well for a sell, going for a sell. I'm just gonna put a pending order at daily entry and send it to you guys right now. You see, when I see it clearly, guys, there's no hesitation for us. It's like, alright, that's what it is, that's what we're doing. But sometimes early in the week, it could be iffy. You don't really know if it's gonna go for a buy or a sell. It's kind of hard. Like this morning, if I was up, I would have capitalized on the trade for the buy on gold, early buy on gold. But I was asleep. Kind of woke up late because I stayed up all the way to like 4 a.m. Besides that, the game is not that hard. We're going to put a pending order. We're going to put a pending order on NAS 100 as well. I'm just looking at something here, guys. Making sure I have all points covered on gold. Gold is gonna be one of those moves that you really don't want to miss, for sure. So make sure you locked in it no matter what. Try to be in there. All right, so that trade is floating good. I have no worries. It's perfect. All right, next signal is NAS 100 again, like I mentioned. So NAS 100, I know it's gonna be tomorrow morning. It's gonna start doing some nice movements, but let's go ahead and just have our pending orders ready to go. I'm gonna have a manual entry order at keys on daily, keys on high. And I'm gonna have entries here, and I'm gonna have entries here. Stop loss is gonna be up there for me. Excuse me. One thing for sure, I'm not missing on this sell once it's actually ready. So that's my stop loss. I'm gonna put that red. All right. It's just a matter of you have to be real precise on how you're going to go about the entry. Because if you're not, then that's when chaos happened. So even if you're right, but if your entry sucks, you're gonna see unnecessary drawdown that you don't necessarily have to see, to go through. All right, gold is looking to push out a little bit further. All right, I'd like to see that. It's pushing. We are going to the next 800 MA. There it is, pushing. We're all pushing higher. Nice on gold. Beautiful. Beautiful trade. And the cool part is that this trade is just now getting started for the real buy move we've been talking about all week. So we in for a ride, guys. I'm gonna leave this 30 in here. I'm gonna do a 50. Oh yeah, we're gonna eat on this buy. And based on experience, like the entries have to be on point here for us to really capitalize on this. Because if we force entries and we over risk, we're gonna get kicked out of the trade because of pullbacks. So I like to see. All right, so pending order, we're gonna do it at daily entry, but realistically, I think you could start off manual entry on NAS now, but the pending orders is always gonna be better, guys. That's one thing I've learned. Even if you think price is not gonna really do like a pullback, 9 times out of 10 it does. All right, who's in that gold trade with me? We pushing, and there's a destination we going. That's just how it works, guys. There's a destination that we going to. Where? Top Bellinger on the 30, top Bellinger on the 15. That's where we going. So just relax. This trade is gonna pay us. Let's see how much I'm floating. 315. I want to add some more up here, but I'm gonna wait. On my other funded, I'm going crazy on that one. I'm definitely gonna be adding some good trades for that buy there. I'm not holding out on that one at all. Floating 400 right now on it. I got it standard. I just added another standard on that. So 2 standard, let's go. I got a 2 standard running on my funded, and then 1 standard as well everywhere else. So here, let's go ahead and add another trade. I said when it breaks this zone, I would have did it, and there it is right now. Boom, just like that. That's all there is to it. It's a smooth trade. Like I said, guys, when it's time, it's clear. When it's time to really go, it's just go time. No ifs and buts about it, you know? We just gotta get better at training our eyes to seeing these move and take our attempts. So right now we in our attempts, you know. Worst case scenario, stop loss trigger. Best case scenario, we're gonna capitalize on this trade and make more money. I'm in profit right now on all accounts. Yes, sir. We about to enter a new hour soon too, so let's stay focused. Let's stay locked in, man. We got this. Once we break this zone, there's no coming back. Just a matter of staying patient now. I wish I had that entry at the top, man, for that freaking NAS 100. All right, let's go. Chat is jumping. All right, let's see what's going on. What, freaking, Denny said, what are you looking to do with gold? I'm buying gold right now. What's good, what's good? I'm buying gold. I'm buying gold for right now, guys, long term. I'm well invested in gold right now. Major move I think is coming, and it's not coming back. The way price is pushing up, it's gonna keep going long term. So gold right now is going to go reach the next key zone, which is right up there. And so gold is going to go to the next key zone up here. So that's about that's 100 pips, 150 pips. It's a lot. So you don't want to miss that move, because if you catch that move, when price reach above it, we're gonna have another opportunity to enter again, so we could go up here for the take profit. So it's really just gonna come down to patience for us to really make a bag on this. Because if we realistically could hold all the way to take profit, that's a big bag, a very big bag. So let's just make it out of there first, and just make it out of these zones first, and then we'll be good to go. Yep. Beautiful entries, which I held them. I know that early entry buy from this morning was everything, man. Literally everything. But trust, man, this entry right here we getting on gold is like a fresh trade. This is a daily long term. This is from what I'm looking at on this gold trade, this is a daily long term move. All right, let me show you a perspective of what you could expect, man. This move right here for gold, literally, guys, all it needs to do is push up just a bit higher, right? Push up just a bit higher to reach this area here. And then from there, it's over with. So if I could draw this out for you guys, this is how it would look like, right? Ugh, I can't wait for that move, man. I'm glad we were able to cap and find an entry for it. That was the most important. We got the entry here. Okay. Realistically, we missed this entry. That's just what it is. It is what it is. Oh well. But we did not miss this entry. So we got in here, we locked in. This candle alone, this candle alone is pretty much the same damn size about two candles from this morning. Just that one candle right there. So all we need to do is stand this by, push up, push up. Look, guys, if price reach here for take profit one, that's a blessing. Keys on entries. Re-enter at the middle Bollinger Band. It's nothing but a uptrend towards the top Bollinger Band up there. Now, this is a huge move. This is the life-changing moves we've been talking about. This is the breakthrough moves we've been talking about. All we need to do is find a way to enter these moves and capitalize on them as they go. Again, this was the best entry. I'm kicking myself right now for not having been in this trade. But it is what it is. One thing for sure, I'm not missing this entry. So we got this entry right here. And right now it's playing out perfectly for us. It's literally going from zone to zone exactly like we know the market do. So it's going from this zone, bottom Bollinger Band, to the middle, middle to the top, top, push up, give me entries here to push up to go to the top Bollinger Band up there. Easy, simple. All we need to do is be patient and let the move come to us, and everything will play out. So right now, overall, let's see how much I'm floating. All right, 162, not bad. All right, 162, not bad here. Let's see. On this one, we floating 700, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Two standard. So two standard floating 700, 0.60 floating 240 to start, 370, no 270, and then right here we floating 120. It's not bad. We kind of had a late entry here anyway, and then right here we are floating 325. So we just need to wait. Let the trade finish out doing what it needs to do. No rush. All right, let's see. Yeah, this was a great trade, guys. Beautiful entries. Yep. All right, what's take profit? All right, take profit on this trade is right here. Go to trading ideas. Buy gold around price 33.16 729. Stop loss 33.09 716. Take profit 1 3340.887. Take profit 2. And you guys could see all of that. I think I did price 2 times, so let me update this. right. Yeah, I wish I was holding those trades too, man, from that daily entry. But there's no wishing, just doing. We here now. Can't cry over spoiled milk. It already happened. This is the threshold that I have right here, and price is above that threshold. So the next H1 candle, I expect it to be bullish. Yeah, and that's it. Ooh, volume is all bullish too. That's nice. Everything is saying buy here, guys. Everything is saying you good. You did the good thing. All right, new hour. Oh, not yet, not yet, not new hour yet. It's coming soon. All right. So now let me go ahead and send that order for NAS 100. Pending order at the daily entry is where we want to be at. NAS is selling now, but I know it's gonna give the best move later. So there's still no rush for it. All right, so here it goes. I really want a manual enter on NAS now, but yeah, we in a buy. We're in a buy for gold. That's what I have it going overall for a buy. Pullbacks, I'm not in control of that. There's nothing I could do when it comes to that. So we're gonna have our pending order sell right here. If we enter here at daily entry, what price is that? 22,859. 22,859. Okay, 22,859. That's where the entry would be. So let me see around which area that is. $22,859. So the pricings are a little bit different, I'm noticing on NAS compared to some of you guys. So I just want to let you guys know that there's a little bit of a difference there. We'll do a 20 there. I'm gonna do another 20. There, just in case. And I could do a 20 now, but I'm not. I don't have that leverage just yet. Yeah, the NAS sale is going to be super nice. So I'm being patient for it too. Yeah, I'm waiting for that move, man. It's going to be a big move. I'm just preparing the signal for you guys pending order. I'm also going to let you guys know, feel free to manual enter if you want. It's for early move, but the move is going to happen in the morning, most likely. Yep, I'm ready. Let's get it. All right, so we're gonna do the entry here, right underneath the daily. Stop loss is right above. Our entries is gonna be here. And we're going to go down there and grab the short position. Put it right at the daily here. Price didn't reach the pending order just yet, so we'll just leave it as is. Those that take this trade will be risking what? 34 pips only? not that much. Oh no, 75. 75 pips. 4. Oh. Alright, gold pulling back a little bit. That's all good. It's part of it. I expected that. I'm hoping this Nas don't go crazy for the sell, cause we going all the way down here, guys. That's about 255 points. Well, realistically, we're gonna do that average daily range low for that TP. So let's see how it plays out. Because right now Nas is selling exactly from that key zone. So the pending order may not even go there to even trigger it, to be honest. So we'll have to wait and see how it all reacts. Alright, let's see. But this would be the trade. This would be the trade setup. Alright, TP right here. Same for gold. We have 2 take profit. Keys on low. And also at the bottom as well. And with gold, I'm locked in on gold, man. I have no fear. I have 0 fear on gold. Worst case scenario, stop loss trigger. Nas is dropping fast, guys. But it's still early, so I'm hoping for that pullback. At least from this area here. Let's see. Sending the signal right now for the Nas. Same setup. One more minute to the new hour. Let's go. See how we're gonna react here. Crucial. As long as we're above middle Bollinger Band, we are good to go for a buy. All right, new hour. Let's go. All right, we're looking good on gold. Stay in, lock in. Okay, looking good. Nas, again, we want the pullback. Sending everything over to you guys so you have it. Almost done. Just send over the signal to you guys. And then that's pretty much it for the night. We good. almost done. Stay in that gold trade, guys. Let it rock out. Let it slide, man. Let it slide. All right. Make sure you guys are in my group, man, so you can get my signals if you're not in yet. Okay. Third attempt. Sell NAS 100. Sell limit. Price 22,865.3 SL. $22.897.0 TP number 1. Price TP number 1 price is gonna be around key zones 22,742. TP number 2 price TP number 2 price ADR low for the day 22,614.9. Risk. We risking major pullback on gold I'm seeing right now, but that's okay. Staying in my trade. All right, the risk on this is going to be if we enter exactly at daily entry. It's probably not going to be at daily entry, to be honest. I'm going to give the entry at 50 MA. Yeah, that's more like it. 50 MA, give the entry. Stop loss is going to be a little bit bigger. That's fine for the move to come. Risking 45 pips. If you enter now, you're risking 64 pips. So we're gonna do price. To 854. Went to 854.0. This is the risk. $45. Let's just say 45. 45 pips from pending order. Reward. $240 pips. 245 pips. Alright, so the note on this one for the NAS is price is under daily entry and keys on high. Feel free to manual entry now. Alright, go pulling back a bit, but that's okay. We stand in our trade. Alright, so we got our signal. I sent everything to you guys. We are selling NAS for right now, and we are buying gold. That's the moves. Alright, have some balls, lock in, stop loss trigger, you know, and just keep staying focused, because these moves will happen whether we end them or not. So let's try our best to be in them instead of not in them. Yes, there could be potential pullback, but based on the way the market structure is looking like, the area of support we are at is very strong. Well, with that being said, not gonna hold you guys for too long, man. I'm super locked in right now and seeing how everything is gonna play out for us. So yeah, guys, let's stay focused. Let's see what the chat is saying right now. Chat is saying that a lot of buyers momentum. Yep, it's gonna go up. We don't predict. We trade the current market structure. Exactly correct. I think it will drop fast and then hit the buy limit. It could do that too. Gold could do that. It could do that, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But overall, I think we pretty much all set on our trade, and let's just stay focused. We should be good. So that's all for today's session, team. And yeah, all right. I'll talk to you guys soon then after this. Yes, sir.